BTC crash. Check out this.
The 70-74K. I said BTC is going to drop between 70 to 74K, which be.
So here we are. I said in less than 24 hours, BTC is going to crash between 70 to 74K. Less than 24 hours, what we got here? So this is 27th of May, which is last night, and this video, as I upload on my YouTube channel, is less than 24 hours. And what I said BTC is going to crash. So less than 24 hours, this is what we got. A huge crash. So from 76K to 72,000K. So I just wanted to keep you guys updated with the details. As I said, I'm going to do this all the time to keep you guys aware of the weakness of the market by going through the on-chain indexes and technically. So as we knew this, the market is going to drop, and we expect this is going to happen, and which is happened, and we are really glad about this. So what is next step exactly is going to happen for the market? Here we are. So the first thing I'm going to give you some examples about it is the BTC CME gap. There's few things which is going to happen right now. I'm going to explain it. So the first thing for the BTC which might happen, BTC can reclimb actually to 74 between 74 to 75,000K. The reason which I'm saying the BTC has got the potential to reclimb to these gaps, here we have let me shift on H4 chart. It's better region. So in between 74 to 75K, there is a CME gap which happens for the BTC. This is the first thing. It can be filled up, then BTC can drop more and more. So to which level is going to drop, I'm going to tell you right now. If we shift on a daily chart, and here we are. So if we go back at 8th of April, which was about almost 2 months ago. So in the past 2 months ago, we had left a CME gap in here, which has not been filled completely. Once it's tried to be filled, but it didn't been filled completely. So once the BTC has been filled, this gap right here, which happens at 26th of May, which is a couple of weeks ago, maybe it's it's about 2-3 days ago even. So once this been filled, so the BTC for the next leg, it's going to be to drop to this level, something between 69 to 71, 72, something like that. Well, I cannot say 72 basically because essentially, as we can see, the BTC has touched let me go there. The BTC has touched already 72,500. So I would like to say it's going to drop something between 69 to 71,000. And at the same time, once it goes to touch this point of interest, which I'm mentioning right now, at the same time, we have got the huge, famous final flag, which we expecting to be touched by the price. Here we are. This is the final flag, and hopefully it's not going to make a break of a structure below this trend line. If this is going to happen, we are done. We are done very worstly. So this is the first thing we need to be aware of it. So the BTC can reclimb above 74, 75, then can decline again between 69K to 71K. k. And some another thing which I really wanted to mention, by the way, guys, if you didn't subscribe the channel, please subscribe the channel, and if you like the content, thumbs up the videos. And some another very major thing to me this recently which happened, it was I think last night. It was last night definitely. Aggressively ETFs outflows. Just what time? It was about what the heck is going to happen? What the heck happened? Why did I got errors? Wow, this was weird. Anyway, so at almost 5 a.m. in the morning, so we have seen $733 million outflows from the Bitcoin ETFs. And at the same time, if we go to the Ethereum ETFs, so we had about, let me check out, we had about $65 million outflows in just one night. This is aggressively massive outflows from the ETF and from the BTC ETFs and Ethereum ETFs, especially for the BTC. In the, I don't know, maybe in the past 2-3 months, I have not seen this aggressive number. It's a huge amount of money which goes out of the ETFs. So at the same time, can you see, guys? This recently we had not seen this huge amount of outflows. So at the same time, which we are considering the technicals gaps, CME gaps, and the technicals final flags, those kind of things. So at the same time, we have got the ETFs outflows. The ETFs outflows essentially it shows that the institutionals investors, they are going to sell their funds, which like BlackRock, for example, just this afternoon, it was about 4 a.m. I think, sorry, 4 p.m. The BlackRock has deposited about above 7,000 BTC, which is half of $1 billion into the Coinbase to just sell. So something worse is going to happen probably, or otherwise, even if something worse doesn't going to happen. So this is the case, this is a scenario which is going to happen. So the institutional investors, they're going to drop the BTC's price down. The market, well, basically they are going to make the market's bottom, probably. In my vision, the last price drop which is going to happen must be in these areas, something between 69 to 71. So from these areas, it must be the bottom of the market, at least for medium term. Well, I think it's going to hit 69 to 71,000 dollar for the BTC. Then the BTC is going to reclimb to between 90 to 95k. This is what I think. Otherwise, if this didn't happen, so definitely we should be sure about it. Something worse is going to happen for the market. Maybe some war is going to happen. Maybe the recession is going to happen. Some worse thing will happen. But this is the thing which we got at the moment. So at least we know price to which level is going to drop, and if it's dropped, what is going to happen next. So that's the scenario which I keep it in mind. Probably from this trend line, the price is going to hit the trend line. The trend line will work as a resistance, strong resistance of level of the price, then will push the price to the upward, and it's probably going to hit about 90 to 95k. Otherwise, the BTC will make a break of a structure below this trend line, then boom, a crash, another crash between 60 to 63,000 dollar. Hope you enjoyed, guys. Be aware of everything and See you soon. Subscribe the channel.